Remove the accessories and the hub containing the wheel bearings. Clean the spindle and check for wear or damages. Remove the bearings and the raceways from the hub. Be careful not to damage the hub. Clean the hub with brake parts cleaner and check the hub for damages. Tap in the inner and outer replacement raceways supplied in the Moog box. Use the appropriate tool to avoid damaging the raceways. Generously apply grease to the bearings and the spindle. Make sure to lubricate the wheel bearings completely using the grease type recommended by the manufacturer. Install the inner bearing and the replacement seals supplied in the Moog box. Use the appropriate tool to avoid damaging the seal. Reinstall the hub. Install the outer bearing and the new accessories provided by Moog in the box. Tighten the nut and turn it a quarter turn back to give it sufficient slack for when the bearing expands as it heats up.
Make sure you come back to Garage Guru's CSI to see how we explain more warranty claims. We are Garage Gurus. Join our community. Follow us on social media. Thanks for watching this video. The video description contains all the relevant links. Don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and be notified when we post new content. Also, check out our Garage Gurus online course catalog.